Hi guys! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys ay magre-review tayo ng isang lending application na nagpapautang up to 30,000 pesos. Ayan. So before we go on guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, mag-subscribe na, i-hit ang bell button para ma-update kayo sa upcoming videos and tutorial. And of course ay mapabilang din kayo sa mga upcoming na pag-giveaways natin. Alright, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in this video ay i-review natin ang lending application na ito na bagong-bago sa Play Store. Ayan. And sabi dito, loan amount 1,000 to 3,000 or 30,000 pesos ang pwedeng utangin. Ayan, 91 days to 181 days ang loan term. Ayan, fast online loan, only several steps. Repay on time for higher amount. 24/7 na accessible daw sila. So, ang lending application na ito guys ay si Support Salary Loan powered by Excellent Era Lending Corporation and with 4.8 stars and 2,000k reviews. So, bagong-bago nga ito sa Google Play Store. So, download natin and pagka-download guys ay makikita dito agad-agad yung privacy agreement summary nila. So, sinama rin na yung bonggang-bonggang papel siguro. Ganyan. Okay, so understood. And yung ating permission sa ating phone call, sa ating call log, location, ganyan. So, click natin yun guys. And next is yung privacy agreement. Ayan, so account login is deemed to agree with the privacy policy. So, next guys is yung ating phone number. So, in here ay automatic siyang nangunguha ng phone number. So, pipili lang tayo dito yung mga phone number na ginagamit ko guys. Ayan, so pili lang tayo dito and pan entering ay magsisend sila ng verification code. So, enter natin and then next. Ayan. So, allow support loan to read the message below and enter code. Ayan, so yung mga code nila, may mga ganun guys. So, depende sa atin yung code kung i-allow natin or deny, ganyan. And after which, guys, is eto na yung pwede daw nilang ipautang sa atin. So, utang is live. So, medyo malaki-laki ang bigay sa mga salary loan. Ayan. Maximum loan amount up to 20,000 pesos. Pero wag muna kayong mag-download, guys. Panoorin niyo muna ang video ito para makita niyo naman kung okay ba talaga itong salary loan o hindi. Ayan. So, 20,000 pesos. Interest as low as 0.06% per day and loan term 120 days. After which guys, ay kailangan natin ilagay yung email address natin, marital status, number of children, ayan, and how many internet loans did you have currently, any overdue loan, total overdue loan, overdue days. So, yung mga utang ang tatanungin kung meron ba tayong utang o may mga existing na utang ba tayo, ganyan. And after which guys is yung ating basic information na. So, very easy na to. Education background, email, marital status, number of children, how many internet loan. And then next is yung income information natin like yung job status, industry, company name, company address, company phone number, salary type, ayan, and yung ating company address or yung ating payday, ayan, salary payday, o monthly income, ganyan, and yung mga ID. So, ito na yung mga ID na pwede sa kanila, yan. So, highly recommended CPRC, Postal, SSS, UMID ID, Passport, Driver's License, Voter's TIN ID, Pag-ibig, PhilHealth, and yung National ID natin. Ayan, so ito na. May pa-selfie and pa-picture sa ating ID. Of course, ay ilalagay nila yung mga kung paano daw natin picturean or paano tayo mag-picture, ganyan. So, after natin picturean yung ID, guys, is syempre yung ating ID number, gender, birthday, and then next na is yung pa-selfie ni Mayor. Ayan, selfie. So, next is yung contact information or contact reference natin. So, nangangailangan sila, guys. So, slightly strict. 5 na contact references. And after which is ating withdrawal. Ayan, so ating withdrawal. So, dito guys is, hindi ko alam, baka tinignan siguro sa ID ko, pero mali-mali yung nilagay. So, natatawa na lang ako, pero anyways, ayan, so, ito yung transfer method. So, sa kanila guys is e-wallet and bank card ang pwede sa kanila. Sabi dito, congratulations, you have finished all the certification. So, let's see guys kung approve ba tayo o hindi. Para makita naman natin guys. Gigil na ako. Charing. So, apply now. Ayan, click natin yun guys. So, ito na guys yung ating approve amount. Ayan, so, very excited. So, pasadong-pasado na naman po tayo sa isang loan application. Ayan. So, use my limit. So, ang limit ko is 1,500. So, yun talaga guys, na hindi porke 20,000 yung offer. As a first timer, syempre mag-umpisa tayo sa mababa. Ayan. So, ang ating loan amount is 1,500 and payable within, hindi nakalagay. So, tingnan natin guys. So, sabi dito, one product willing to offer you loans. So, meron dito yung agad peso. So, 1,500. Click natin yun guys para makita natin yung mga bawas or mga interest ng ating inutang or uutangin pa lang. Ayan. So, amount of contract, ayan. So, 1,500. Loan period, 120 days. Amount received is 930 days, and service charge or service fee 570, and number of terms 2 terms daw. Ayan, and e-wallet, and then yung account na rin sa e-wallet, and ito yung repayment plan guys. So dito natin makikita kung talaga nga bang 120 days kasi nga dito sa taas niya guys, loan period 120 days. So click natin yung repayment plan. Charan. Ayan, dyan sa screenshot, guys. So, amount of contract again, and then amount received, 930 pesos. So, malaki talaga yung kaltas, guys. Pero, dito muna tayo sa kanilang repayment plan. So, 120 days ang sabi nila kanina. So, now, ay makikita natin na 7 days po ang loan limit natin. So, aking first due is July 24. Ayan. So, July 24, bayaran ko daw is 1,485. And yung aking second due is sa after 120 days na or sa 120 days na ng utang. So, after 120 days, bayaran ko lamang is 15 pesos na yun ang interest ng loan natin. So, basically, pagbayad na tayo sa first term is bayad na bayad po ang ating utang kasi nga 1,485 po ang ating babayaran that time. So, medyo malaki-laki naman talaga ang kaltas nito mga kaibigan. Pero nasa inyo guys kung gusto nyo pa rin subukan. Basta pinakita ko lang sa inyo kung magkano yung mga kaltas and magkano yung makukuha natin. So, from 1,500, ang makukuha natin is 930. And kung magbabayad tayo is 1,485 within 7 days. So, that's it my video and I hope na nakatulong to sa mga naghahanap ng utangan. And sa mga nakasubok na sa loan application na ito ay please comment down below. Ayan, comment down below. Para makita din namin ng mga first timer dito sa loan application na ito kung sa inyo ba guys is okay siya o hindi. And mag-comment na rin guys para mapabilang kayo sa mga pag-giveaways natin. So, thank you for watching again guys and see you on my next one.